Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah, Professor Dr. Irfan. Thank you very much for joining. Professor Irfan is sitting in Islamabad and I am here in Canada. Now the time in Canada is 10:40 a.m. in the morning. And thank you, sir. What's the time in your place, sir, Islamabad?
Walaikum Assalam is almost 8:45
Okay, so thank you very much, sir.
p.m.
So here we are just our getting introduced about our projects. The OLC Canada has launched number of projects in 2021. One of the project is the HIBA project under the banner of Dr. Sharafat Ali Hashmi Haroon. And so now we are partnering with the Punjab University on a book fair, and we have launched the virtual book fair first time in Pakistan with the 10 more activities. So first of all, I would like to know about your, sir, a small brief about your previous experience and the projects you are working on, sir.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Walaikum Assalam. First of all, thank you very much for inviting me to this event. My introduction, I retired after serving 37 years in 3 universities in Pakistan. First, Bahauddin Zakariya University, Multan, then Allama Iqbal Open University, Islamabad, then finally at the International Islamic University, Islamabad, where I retired as the Dean of the Faculty of Sciences.
Mashallah.
Academically, I have educated my basic education from Lahore, St. Francis School, then Government College Lahore, and I did my PhD from Imperial College London back in 1994. And afterward, I spent about a year at the Oxford University, and my research area was about environmental policy, particularly the policy distortion in developing countries.
Mashallah.
And here I have been supervising PhD research for about 15 students, and most of the time I was involved in policy research, the environmental assessment of the policies, the plans, the programs, and finally one of my students did the strategic environmental assessment of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor Plan, that is from 2013 to 2030. And
Right.
my area of interest in the research was environmental diplomacy, environmental security, and environmental assessment and management. So in this area, I've conducted more than, I think, few hundreds workshops, training courses across the country and abroad in Central Asia and Middle East. And similarly, these days I'm working as a part of the technical team in Balochistan, which is what you call EU-funded program, Revival of Balochistan Water Resources.
Okay.
And I'm member of the technical assistance team. And right now I'm member of the task force on climate change made by the government of Balochistan. So these days, after retirement from here, I'm mostly involved in Balochistan. So with this brief, I think it's enough.
Thank you very much, sir. It's very kind of you. You have great, rich experience and knowledge in the environment sector. So, is our country and the international environment requires such specialists for the our community to learn about this area. Thank you very much for giving your introduction. So, just we would like to know about the book fair going in the Punjab University and the virtual book fair that what HIBA has in collaboration launched first time in Pakistan.
First of all, I think I congratulate OLC Canada for
Yes.
organizing such a unique event first time in the history of Pakistan, that you have really made a virtual platform available to everyone, and the one of the what you call the pioneering universities in Pakistan, the Punjab University, one of the biggest universities. And in collaboration with that, and particularly the 10 things, I must say this is the value addition. Normally book fairs used to happen in my student life and the professional life, but this time when you added these art galleries and book reviews and interviews with different people and keynote speeches from the people from different, the leaders in different areas, in fact, and particularly giving the Mushaira, the poetry, the touch in this area, the presentation,
Yes, sir.
and the demos of different products and profile reviews and quiz competitions
Yes, sir.
and storytelling, this kind of thing, that really added big value to this book fair, which has made it according to the need of the present day, because the old days the book fair was just like stall and displaying of the books on different tables. I remember from my experience, but
Yes, sir.
now you have value added to that.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so because of this one, now the interest has grown in the youth. We want to actually motivate the youth towards the reading habits and developing their new skills and prepare themselves for the future challenges. So because of that only, we have used this technology. Normally, people are using just very simple way. Our two consultants were having the discussion, Dr. Amina Murad and Dr. Aziza Anjum. You would have heard about the discussion over the online discussion about this, and they were
Yes.
so happy about that. We have introduced such a valuable activities and content during this Punjab University book fair, which is going on since 20 February 20 for 3 days, and tomorrow will be the last final day, and will our closing program final ceremony will be on Saturday from 2 p.m. onwards, and valuable contents and the presenters will be joining with, and Mushaira will going to start at 5 p.m. Inshallah. This all will be activities online on Zoom, so it will be very easy to join our platform. This is an open platform. We have given everybody can just come on our website www.101cmc.com/hiba. This is our simple small address we have here given, a web address 101cmc.com/hiba. On this page, when you come there, you'll find here the open platform. Anybody can join on this platform. No restrictions are there. You just click on Zoom, join on Zoom button, and then it will ask you the passcode to enter. So here we have mentioned the passcode also. It is HIBA, HIBA, and all you have to type in small letters. So passcode is HIBA, and just click on the button and you're going to enter in the meeting. So this is the way to join our great learning programs. Open platform we have provided, and a lot of other training stuff is here. When you are free, just explore this 101 website, and you will find thousands of free training programs which are available here in on various subjects. Thank you, sir, for joining today. I will would like to know about your the current projects, what you are doing currently, any future trends about, and what talk you are going to present tomorrow in our session.
Tomorrow, I think I'll be talking about the climate change as a non-traditional security threat.
Okay, sir. So just can you tell about little bit brief about that? So people should get interested, the youth especially. We want to motivate the youth
You
to
see,
understand what is the
we
topic.
we are used to of listening the structured security, the traditional means of warfare and the border security. But
Okay.
now in this era, the water security, the food security, and energy security, if I together unite and call it as an environmental security, and that security has become a really challenge because there are many nations which have maybe a lot of other security measures in place, but they
Okay.
are deprived of having a water secure for the nation and the food secure for the nation, and they're not going to be secure. So that would be the main theme basically.
Okay. Thank you, sir, very much. It is kind of you for this joining
My
today.
pleasure, sir. My pleasure.
Let's
My
talk, Hiba.
pleasure.
Thank
Okay,
you
thank
very much. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Inshallah, see you tomorrow in
you.
our
Inshallah.
in
Inshallah.
our final ceremony on the Punjab book fair, virtual going on from the Viva Hiba website. See you all tomorrow at 2 p.m. onwards. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
I'll stop.